what's up YouTubers? In this lesson we're going to be working on that drum fill that you just heard, but make sure that you hit subscribe before we get started. If you're comfortable with the 6-stroke roll, then you're going to be fine. If you're not comfortable with the 6-stroke roll, the pattern is 6 strokes and it goes right, left, left, right, right, left, and it sounds like this. Okay, so you're only accenting that first note, and then the rest of them are all quiet. So you're going to get 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a, or you can count it, which I prefer is sextuplets, 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a. All right, so playing that drum fill without the bass drum in it, you're going to get this. Okay, so now all we're going to do is replace that 4th stroke with a bass drum. So we're going to get right, left, left, kick, right, left. So you're not playing bass drum with the right hand, you're replacing that right hand with the bass drum. So once again, right, left, left, kick, right, left, right, left, left, kick, right, left. Here it goes. Alright, so let's now transition into counting along with that pattern while we're playing it, playing 1 measure of a groove, 1 measure of that pattern, always keeping that 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a count in our head. Here we go. All right, so play that a little bit faster and you get this. Okay, now the last step is take that right hand immediately following the bass drum and move it from the snare to your floor tom. So you now get 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a. All right, so let's play that and see how that sounds. Now, so instead of moving that right hand down to the floor tom every measure, let's only move it on the 1st and 3rd measure. So you'll get all right, now playing that as our drum fill. And I'm going to speed it up a little bit faster for you guys. Alright, there you have it. That's what happens when you get the 6-stroke roll and you replace 1 snare drum with a bass drum. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe, and for more lessons, check out drummer101.com.